Justin Swinemer, number 4776. Jordan White in the number 129 vehicle. Mike Davis in the number 151. Austin Burgess in the number 5. And Mr. David Young in that number 4 vehicle. Gentlemen, it's time to stop fixing and time to start crashing. That's running a little dog leg there, but he's still okay. All right, we've just been told that number 5 won't be back. Austin Burgess, he qualified, but he's got problems. He won't be back.
Yeah. You can drive, Gavin. No, we need you. We'll get her here to drive. That's nice. Yeah, she's covered under my medical and working on insurance on her.
All right, so number 44 just get in. That's Terry Lynch. We started off with a field of 8. We were looking for 8 of them. We know that that Austin will not be back. Can you go read them off to me, John, so I know who's in?
That guy can't come up. I was getting a guy over there. Remember he thought he was going to be able to come back in?
Oh yeah, no, I don't think he cares.
Justin's not bad.
He was about ready to blow it up there last time. He just pulled it off everyone there and started telling him not to.
And David Young's in there as well. So it looks like... Who else we got? Jordan White. Jordan looks like the only guy that hasn't shown. Supposed to be there. Jordan White in the number 121. Do we know if Jordan's coming? Is he there? Okay. That's it. You got them all. Here we go, everybody. This is 4-cylinder. Let's hear it for them. They have fought all afternoon to be here. $250 first prize, $200 second, and $150 for third. 100 for third, 100 for third. They're already battered and bruised, but they want some money. They want to go home with some bragging rights and some cash in their pocket. Oh, that was a good one. That could do your head right there. We see some smoke. Oh, that was another good hit. That'll put you out. Looks like he might be done. That was number 44, Terry Lynch. Terry looks like he might be done for the afternoon. Oh, there was a good hit. Sandwich. No, Terry's bell moving. He said, hit me again. Oh, that was a smash. All right, let's see who's still moving here. That was a hit. I don't know who. We're down. Let's see if anybody can get into the mess they're in. We got 2 guys that are still moving. Number 151 threw his hands up in the air. 44 looks like he can't move. Looks like we got 2 guys that are battling it out. And they're serious. They know they're in money. They just want to know how much. 420, that's Justin Carter in one vehicle. Oh, that was a good hit. And that's number... target is when there's only 2 of you left. So we got Mike Ronald against Justin Carter. They're the 2 that are left, and they're serious. Keep your arms inside there, boys. winner, number 420, Justin Kerner. Justin Kerner is our first place winner, followed